Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate a chest press and a glute bridge with a kettlebell. Please read the disclaimer first on my channel before you start either of these exercises. I'm going to place my hands through the kettlebell handles, wrap my thumbs around. Lifting the kettlebell, elbows into my side, slowly roll my back all the way down to the mat. With a small pelvic tilt up at the end, just to make sure there is no gap between my back and the mat. Elbows close to my side. I'm going to push the kettlebell into my chest press. Exhale and breathe in. Exhale and breathe in. Bringing the elbows down to my side each time. And now I'm going to lift in to my bridge and push the arms up, lowering the elbows back down to my side, squeezing my glutes, tummy pulled in. Remember to breathe out as you push the kettlebell away. And the last one I'll show you, lowering my back down to the mat and my elbows down to my side. I'm going to put those two exercises together. Exhale and down. Lift, squeeze the glutes. I'll demonstrate 4 more. And when you've finished, you can either place the kettlebell behind you. I prefer to curl up and place it down on my mat. So just 2 simple exercises there that we can put together. Just have a little bit of fun with your exercise. If that was helpful, let me know. And in the next kettlebell, I will create a routine that you can do at home. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.